Welcome to today's tech comparison, where we're pitting two popular dash cams against each other, the ROVE R2-4K Pro and the FOCUWAY dash cam front rear 4K with GPS and Wi-Fi. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams boast 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities. Reviewers for the ROVE R2-4K Pro praise its excellent image, quality, and ability to capture clear footage in various lighting conditions. Similarly, the FOCUWAY dashcam also receives accolades for its clear video quality, with particular emphasis on its impressive night vision capabilities, thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensor. Connectivity is key for dashcams, and both models offer advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick and easy video uploads. The ROVE R2-4K Pro is lauded for its user-friendly app and intuitive file management system, while the FOCUWAY dashcam stands out for its easy setup and user-friendly design, including voice control and Type-C connectivity. When it comes to extra features, the ROVE R2-4K Pro offers GPS voice alerts and a parking mode, earning praise for its comprehensive feature set. The FOCUWAY, on the other hand, includes a screensaver mode for nighttime driving and a supercapacitor for reliable performance, making it a versatile choice for drivers. Night vision is crucial for capturing clear footage in low-light conditions. The ROVE R2-4K Pro's night vision is highly rated for its ability to capture detailed footage in the dark. The FOCUWAY dashcam with its Sony STARVIS sensor also impresses reviewers with its ability to turn night into day, ensuring clarity in nighttime recordings. Overall, both the ROVE R2-4K Pro and the FOCUWAY dashcam front rear 4K with GPS and Wi-Fi receive high marks from reviewers. The ROVE is praised for its stunning video quality, comprehensive features, and user-friendly experience. The FOCUWAY, meanwhile, is noted for its clear video quality, convenient connectivity options, and versatile features. Both dashcams are highly recommended by users for their performance and reliability. Thank you for watching our comparison of the ROVE R2-4K Pro and the FOCUWAY dashcam front rear 4K with GPS and Wi-Fi. It's clear that both dashcams offer great features and performance, but your choice will depend on what specifics you value most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. For more details and to make your purchase, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, stay informed and make smart buying decisions.